We came back from our vacation and the chickens, it seems like fall hit here. The whole top of their run area is covered with leaves now. It's like they camouflage underneath their own little net. Yes, that is actually a bed. That is a water bed. My wife found on one of those, well, websites. They were selling stuff and she offered a ridiculously low price and they accepted it, so we got it. It's missing one piece of some part underneath of the water bed. Those over there are the night tables that go with it. So I'm going to try and put that together. See what happens. Okay, the piece on the right is actually just like one of the pieces that are missing. So there was 3 of those, so unless it's a triangle waterbed, it's not going to work, although it would be cool. So I'm going to cut it out of that 4x8 sheet I had left over from my building over here. Okay, there's the old piece, the shiny white one, and the new piece. It looks different, but they are actually the same size. Let's go put it together. Okay, all the pieces are in except for the night tables, and the waterbed mattress. But that's all of them, including the one I had to make. So now I'm going to try and put that darn thing together before I get tired enough I have to fall into it and sleep. Okay, it's all together. I actually got it. It's filled up and ready. Now, I'm going to pass out. Good night.
It's huge. It's gigantic.
What are you doing over there?